Ollie Heath here, back again with another exciting episode, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favourite moments from my show at the Capitol Theatre in February 2019. The show is called Let's Make Music, and we did just that. I hope you enjoy it.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hey! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Put your hand up if you feel good right now. You are part of the band, people. You're in the Rhythm Nation band.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Who is this creature with terrible? Terrible teeth in your terrible. You don't believe these hands add up. Poisonous war, I think end up with. His eyes are orange and his tongue is black. He has some cool prickles all over his back. Oh, hell no, it's a hell no, it's a
Do you give more than you take? Can you still see sunshine when it's pouring with rain? Do you try and make a difference or wait for it to change? Don't ever try and be rich, famous or cool. Never believe that anyone is better than you. You gotta search for the truth in whatever you do. You're a star, little man, don't you ever be fooled. Stand up and bring the noise.
A big drum rumble, please. A big drum rumble that I can hear.
all seems musical to me.
It all seems musical to me.
It all seems musical to me.
Na 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 every single day. He's cute and cuddly, black and white, and being his best is a delight. When he's done with that, he puts his shades on. Come and gather round and listen to his song. He's Panda P and he gives a great cuddle. Battle you and they have you in the muddle. Yeah, that's right, put your hands up in the air. Wave them around like you just don't care. You can call him Panda or Panda P, and the P stands for positivity. When I say Panda, you say P. Panda P, Panda P. When I say positive, you say T. Positivity, positivity. Na na na, eh oh. Na na na, eh oh. Eh oh. Eh oh. Big round of applause to you.
What was your favourite moment? Write it down below because I'd love to hear about it. I'd love to see what you really enjoyed, and I can do more of that in my next show. Thank you Steam Academy for your vision. Thank you R&V Productions for some amazing footage in there. Thank you Panda P for some extra footage at the back. Thank you for all the Rhythm Nation band and all the Horsham crew that got together to make this show happen. It was a real beautiful moment of community coming together to make a very unique and special show where the whole audience were the band. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again very soon. And in the meantime, listen with care, because you know what? You're gonna find that music and inspiration is everywhere.